In this video, I'm going to show you how to paste background masks from one image to another in Adobe Lightroom. So as you can see, this is a edited photo of a white background shoot, and the raw photo looks more similar to this. You can see there's a lot more of a difference in terms of the background's consistency with the color white, as well as, it's just a piece of paper. There's a rip in the bottom there, as well as this side, angle. So what we did in order to edit this image was we worked with some masks, some of the AI masks that Adobe Lightroom has underneath this mask section. So if you click M on your keyboard or you select this mask section on the right hand side, you can see that we've already created these image masks. So if you want to copy one, I recommend going and toggling if you have multiple masks, just to make sure that you have the right mask selected. This in fact is our background mask. As you can see, when we hide it, we see all these color differences in the background. So in order to copy and paste that, we're going to want to click the more options, three little dots, click copy, and then we want to find our next image that we're going to edit. Let's go ahead and select, the next best image that we're working with. And once we find the one that we want to actually edit as a final image, let's just choose this one, for example. We're going to need to open up the masking tab again before we click edit, paste, or control V. If you have the masking tab open, it will recognize that you're pasting the mask settings onto this image, and you'll need to update the AI settings of the mask because this image is different than the last image. But it's really cool that we can paste background masks from one image to the other. So once it's pasted, you'll need to click update AI settings. And then what you'll see is the background mask was added to this image and it became completely white. So we can see what it looked like before, and then we can update our AI settings again, and you can see what it looks like with the image mask. So that's how you're going to copy and paste image masks from one image to the next in Adobe Lightroom.